In 1957, the Thunderbird became a symbol of American style, blending luxury with pure driving passion. Hot Wheels captured this legend in Diecast, shrinking its elegance into the palm of your hand. The Thunderbird was built for open roads, and Hot Wheels kept that spirit alive in scale. From day to night, the Thunderbird's style made it unforgettable, timeless even in miniature. The 57 T-Bird was born for freedom, a road trip icon in both full-scale and die-cast. Collectors treasure this Hot Wheels gem, a piece of history frozen in metal. Even in the rain, the Thunderbird's beauty shines, elegance that endures. The classic 57 T-Bird, an icon reborn in Hot Wheels form, forever timeless.